Back at the Sagrada Familia, waiting in line for our entrance. Ready for our entrance?
Oh my god. I don't like, stop it. Erase that one. No. Erase that one, but don't put me in there.
Let's go through and get some details, some of these carvings out front. Nice, and you can see it's still under construction. They have all kinds of safety nets up there. But if they drop blocks, hopefully 5 nets in a row there will stop them. Okay, kudos if you can figure out what this statue means. So on the left there, they're escaping to Egypt. On the right side, all the babies are being killed, ages 2 and under, by the soldiers. And again, this is the view that you're greeted with when you first come inside the Sagrada Familia. Gotta go wide angle so I can get as much as I possibly can. It's my field of view here. It's the most unique architecture that you'll probably ever see in a cathedral. One more view. I'm not sure which side I like more. The red side or the blue side. They're both pretty in their own way.